family, welcome back to the Aisha Everything channel. Make sure if you have not already, go ahead and hit subscribe for your girl. Go ahead and hit the bell notification so that you can receive all of the videos that I put out. Now, without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. I know y'all read the title, and yes, y'all, Asteria hair review. Not just, you know, your regular degular review. I'm gonna give you guys everything. All of the things that I be like praying that YouTubers talk about when it comes to these wigs and these hair companies. I'm gonna tell y'all all that. I'm gonna make sure that y'all have all that. So I want to first and foremost say this is not my first time ordering from Asteria. This video is not sponsored, so this is the real and the raw. Like I said, the first time that I ordered from Asteria, and I'm gonna make sure I insert clip, I ordered a 20-inch 180 density, and it was like in a medium, so the cap size was a medium. And I love the hair. This is in 2019. I was like wig lady. You know what I'm saying? I was wearing wigs all the time. And so I would definitely have to say that that wig is still to this day one of my favorite wigs. The hair did not shed. The closure, like the frontal part, is still intact. Everything is still everything. And I feel like I bought that wig. I had to have maybe bought it around August 2019, and it's now a whole year later. But I have to be honest, I pretty much stopped wearing wigs probably back in December of last year. And the only reason why I did is because I did want to give sew-ins and braids and all those other different kind of hairstyles a chance again. And as y'all can see, yes, this is my hair. Those of y'all who watch my channel, y'all have seen my hair. But if you're new to the channel, yes, sis, this all me. This all me, sis. And yeah, so I just blow dried and washed my hair, and I'm about to install this wig for y'all because I want y'all to see it. So I know I'm just rambling, but we're gonna get right into the wig right now, get into the wig. Sorry, y'all.
You keep telling me on the telephone,
hey,
how you got it going on,
how you doing?
and how you keep me satisfied. Ooh,
I've been good.
So as y'all can see, it came into this little bag. So this is how you would get it. Mind y'all, this is a 2.6, so 2 inches wide and 6 inches length. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. As far as like the closure or the open piece that's gonna be right here. So this is what we got, and it's from Asteria Hair. Woo, oh, it's coming. Oh, okay. Woo! Do y'all see that? So, okay, so I'm gonna make sure I show y'all this. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay. First time opening up this hair, y'all, so we about to see. All right, so this is how the hair looks. As you guys can see, I did get the body wave in this. I got the body wave, and as I said, it's like the 2.6 as far as, you know, the closure part. So I'm about to take it out. Okay, all right. So can y'all see that? I'm about to run my fingers through it because I want y'all to. And as I said, guys, this video is not sponsored. I just gotta keep saying that because I don't want y'all to be like, dang, they always send the YouTubers the good hair. Technically, I don't exist, sis, so they just sent me whatever. But hey, this hair is lit. I'm kind of messing with her a little bit, y'all. Okay, so let me make sure I give you guys full detail of this wig. As I said, it is a 2.6. I know I'm saying it wrong, but y'all please, those of us who wear wigs and those of us who, you know what I'm saying, y'all know what I mean. But so that means this part here, let me see it, make sure y'all can see that. Hold on. That means this part here is long, so I got my tape. So this is what we got. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's measure her. Let's see. Can't really. So judging by this, it looks like it's coming at right about 5. But what I I will say is, I'm sure if I pull this down more, it'll actually get to the 6. Let's talk about this for a sec, guys. So, the reason why you want to order, because they have 2 options. They have the 2.4, which is like the 4 inches back and the 2 inches here. And then they have the 2 inches here, but the 6 inches that comes back a little bit further. If you all, like I said, this is your first time ordering and you've never ordered a U-part wig, you don't wear U-part wigs, you have no idea. Even if you just never wore a wig, period, you always want to go with the one that has the longer length. So if they have an option of like a 4x4 or a 2x5 or a 2x6, you want to get that 2x6. You want to get the 2x6 because it gives you a lot more space to work with. Just imagine if this was a 2. The fact that this is not even really coming down to a 6. Imagine if I had got the 2x4. That means that thing would have been like right here and I would have been so blowed. So I'm saying all that to say, for people who, I mean, those of us who wear wigs and be wearing our hair, these cichos, we be knowing like to get the longer lengths. But again, I'm trying to get y'all the real and the raw. Make sure y'all do that. So as far as this color is concerned, this is probably like a brown. It'll blend with my hair for now, but I do have every intention to dye this jet black. I want to wear this jet black, so I'm gonna do that to make sure, you know what I'm saying? But as far as the wig, y'all, I love it. I feel like, you know, I don't want to run my hands through it too much because I don't want to mess up the curl pattern. But sis is cute. Sis is, and for my ladies with the density, I got 250% density. As far as I know, because I ordered this wig, I think I ordered it like mid-October. So it pretty much took like 2 or 3 weeks to get here. Just as a reference for you all, if I was you, if you're ordering hair and it's more than 20 inches long, I always advise you ladies to go ahead and get a high density. Get the highest density that they have. And the density, for those of my ladies that don't know what that means, the density, it determines how thick the hair is gonna be. So if you getting some long 30 inch, 28, 24, because this is 24, guys, by the way, you don't want that to be thin. Now, if you get like a little bob cicho and it's gonna stop here, then maybe you can get maybe like a 150 density, 180 or something of that sort. But if you're gonna go long, you want your hair to be thick. So I definitely advise you to get the thickest length. I just want y'all to see, this is the ends of the hair. I don't know y'all, if y'all seeing what I see, but sis is beautiful. And look at that. The fact that you can't see, like this my hand back here. The fact that you can't see my hand, like my hand not poking out through it, doing something like this, that's how you know. That's how you know that's good density, y'all. Like, mind you, again, this is the body wave. And as far as cap sizes, like small, medium, large, it just comes standard, so you ain't gotta worry. This is a 22-inch dome head, if you ladies are wondering. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want you guys to know, and just, I mean, again, one thing I hate is watching unboxings, watching reviews, and people don't tell me like everything I need to know. Oh, but while I'm saying that, this wig was $218. Paid $218, and I got a 24-inch, 250 density, and this is a middle part. So it comes in the middle. So they also have where it comes to the left, the right, you can choose. I just chose the middle because I feel like I'm going to predominantly wear it in the middle. Of course, if you want to like cheat it to the side, cheat it to the left, I mean, you can do that, but they do have that option. If you are a person who likes wearing your hair to the side all the time, you definitely can do that. I'm in love, y'all. I'm in love. I think I'm going to wash this before I put it in. That's just, y'all let me know in the comments about if I'm tripping. I just have to wash hair before I just be like, yeah, I'ma just, you know what I'm saying? That's just me. So So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to put this on. I'm not gonna let y'all see through that unless y'all want to see that, but I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair down so that I can put this baby girl on and wear her, cause yeah, sis is beautiful. But I will rate this hair right now, just looking at it and feeling through it. I haven't had any hair, well, yeah, y'all can't tell, but I haven't had any hair come out, so it's not like shedding or anything. I definitely would give this hair a 9. I'm not gonna say 10 because I ain't washed it yet, and when you wash hair, that's when you be knowing. Yeah, let me go ahead and do all that, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how everything's looking. What's up, YouTube family? So welcome to part 2. If you guys decided to go ahead and skip part 1 and go right into part 2, I don't blame you. Part 1 is more so for those who are just interested in the wig and all the specifications, things of that sort. If you just want to see how it looks on me and how to install it, keep watching because I'm about to show you that right now. So the first thing that I'm going to show y'all is how I braided my hair. I braided my hair very just all over the place. So I'm about to show y'all now. This is how I did it. As y'all can see, I have nails, so I just had to make it do what it do. And these braids are not all that, but they work for me and they work for this style. I have already worn my hair in this style. If you guys haven't already, you guys will see that I actually went to my girl birthday party. She had a birthday picnic, and I just had to hurry up and throw her on, and sis was decent. She was not, as y'all can see, she's in her natural state, so I just had to make it do what it do. But I'm about to show y'all. So as I was saying, this is 200. I just want y'all to see. This is after me washing it. I told y'all in part 1 that I was gonna wash it because I just need to know. I wanna know exactly how this hair is gonna be. So I went ahead, I washed it with shampoo and conditioner, and this is how she came out. This is a blow dry, and this is a small flat iron. Like I did a small straighten through it. I didn't really go in, so that's why it's not blow straight. This is what it looks like again on the inside, and as you can see, you see how I have it hooked up. That is what worked for me last night, so I'm gonna keep it like that. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Alright, so as y'all can see, this is what we looking like. Hopefully y'all can see this. Alright, she's on. So this is the look we have right here. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this because I'm messing with it. It's giving me really, I'm giving myself like real like 90s vibes, like real, you know, in the 90s, they wore their hair straight, but it wasn't like bone straight. It was just kind of like, you know, that sleek look. So she's on, guys, and then I got my leave out on the top. So this is what she is looking like. I'm gonna stand up so that y'all can see where it sits on me. I'm 5'2", so that y'all know. My intentions, or how I intend to wear my hair with this half wig, it is supposed to be a hairstyle you just put on, and when you about to hit the street or you about to go somewhere, you just have a hairstyle instead of just saying, oh, my hair is not done, I'm not going out. Y'all know how we be doing. But nonetheless, I feel like this is gonna work for me. I feel like I'm so happy I bought this because I just feel like it's gonna work. Something else that I want to know is I want to show y'all how it flat irons. Now, mind you, I did a very light flat iron. However, I did have it on the highest setting, which is 450 for my flat irons. And it didn't, again, I told y'all I'm going to keep it real on this channel. I'm going to make sure y'all know everything that's going on. I feel like this is 100% human hair, but let me keep it 1,000 with you. I feel like at the end of the day though, it still has that smell. It's like, if you ladies are, you know, familiar with wearing hair, you guys have worn different kind of hair, it's like a smell that once you put the flat irons to it, that smell is familiar, sis. Now, is that a deal breaker for me? If it's like not 100%, if it is, no. Only because I'm taking this thing on and off, and I'm literally gonna throw her down somewhere, and when it's time to step back out, I'm gonna put her back on. You see what I'm saying? Like, my expectations are not that high for this because it's literally a take on and off wig. Now, if this was like some hair that I'm gonna be using for ponytails, sew-ins, etc., of course you want a better grade of hair because you keep sew-ins in much longer, you keep ponytails in much longer. If you're doing a half up, hair down, if you're doing a half up, half down, and this is just supposed to be your go-to hairstyle, if you don't have nothing else to wear, I'm not tripping. Like, again, this is my real hair. I'm flat ironing it a little bit because I feel like I didn't flat iron my real hair good enough. But nonetheless, I feel like this will work. Again, as I told y'all earlier in this video, I have ordered from Asteria Hair before. I have a whole frontal wig from Asteria Hair, and I've had that wig probably for almost a year now, and sis is holding up. Sis is good, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I don't think it's a deal breaker. I'm about to show y'all how this hair flat irons. All right, so this is on 390. Maybe I should put it up higher. All right, so do y'all see that? The hair is not bad. Let's just keep it real. To me, the hair is not bad. I'm gonna make sure I insert clips of how I was looking last night. I definitely feel like, again, I'm gonna come back to y'all probably sometime next week, and it's gonna be a very short video unless I'm doing something, then it'll be longer. But I'm gonna make sure y'all see it with it really styled. I just wanna put this video out for those of you who are just trying to buy some hair, trying to buy some hair so y'all will have something just to throw on and just be looking like it. Sometimes you just wanna not have to get your hair done, not have to go through all that, and you just wanna be able to put your hair together yourself and be looking like it. And that's why I bought this wig. I just want to be able to look like it at all times and not have to go get my hair done or pay an arm and a leg for a simple this is like a transitional hairstyle, like the hairstyle before you get your hair done. That's how I look at it. But y'all let me know in the comments if y'all like this hair. If I did not touch on something that's very important to you, please let me know. The flat iron doesn't have, like when it's not real, if you having them pieces, I don't have that. Like, just let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys want to know about this hair. If you guys want me to do a 3-month, 2-month, 1-month update on this hair, I'll do it for y'all. Y'all know I don't mind. Just let me know because I hate watching hair tutorials and they don't give me like the full everything. And I hope I was able to do that for y'all. Y'all let me know. Y'all know I respond back to majority of the comments. So just, write your girl if I didn't get everything. Again, thank y'all so much for watching this video. My loyal, beautiful, boss women and men subscribers. I definitely appreciate all the views. This again is Asteria Hair. I will make sure that I put their website below. This video was not sponsored, so this is the real deal, all of that or whatever. And thank y'all so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.